Okay guys, so let's make some burgers. I got some frying up here in the pan. I'll use this for eggs and cook stuff. I'll freeze it. I like to freeze things and take them out as I need them. Let me tighten up my shirt here, actually. So it's just me in my house. I'm not an expert at any of this stuff, so I just figured I'd take you guys along for the ride and stuff. So we'll freeze these burgers. This beef is really good. You can see they don't shoot it up with any colors or anything else. It's just good natural beef. The beef is actually cheaper than the lamb and some other meats that are here. So that was $13, $14, $15 a pound, where this was just actually $14 a kilo, so that'd be 2.2 pounds. So what, seven something, $7.50 a pound. Isn't bad. This was $4.50 a pound. So this is awesome. So you can consider it like ground steak, right? Right. So we'll make some nice burgers out of this. Today is a chilly, rainy day. Today. Took the bus down to town. I'm figuring out how the buses work. They don't really have a schedule, so you just gotta ask folks. So it's interesting. Okay, let's keep frying up this ground beef. It's looking great. It's smelling great. Put a little spices in it. I just keep it simple. I put some garlic, some salt, some pepper, and salt here. Well, it's like anywhere else, man. You gotta get the good stuff. This is Himalayan salt, so it's very pink. It's very good. If I get the fresh spices like this, and I grind it up like that with pepper. I have fresh garlic, but it's a pain to peel it. You know, that's how the garlic comes. And what else? Here's the salt. So yeah, look how pink that salt is. Pretty cool, right? It tastes really good too. So when this gets done, I'll show you how much fat is in here. There's hardly any at all, which is good. So it's just good beef tallow. It's not garbage that they stick in there like we're used to back in the States. Alright, so that's done. This is induction cooktop, so you just turn that off. Alright, when you get close to the camera there so you can see it. Alright, so look, there's hardly any fat in here at all. I don't know if you can see that. I'm trying to work the camera and do all this at the same time. Like I said, I'm no expert. It's just me. Okay, well, there's very little fat in here. Very little fat. Not much at all. So, cool. So that's that. This is good butcher paper, so I'll use the butcher paper to freeze these burgers. The burgers are all set. So that's it. I'll just put some of these up here. And I'll stick them in my little refrigerator freezer thingy. Alright guys, that's it for this one for today. I'll show you outside here how it's beautiful, but it's rainy and it's a little chilly today. That's how that looks. I'm not going to show you the rest of the apartment yet because it's a mess. So, I live alone. I'm a bachelor. So, you know, I don't have to tell you. Alright guys, we'll see you next time. Love you all.